property that you really like, but it has only 60 years left. Or your own property is already 40 years old.
The question we get every single time we're selling this kind of properties is, what happens at the end of the lease? Unfortunately, we don't have a crystal ball that tells us everything. Well, because HDB was established in 1960 and now it's only 2020, so we have 39 more years to find out what really will happen. Some people have asked if HDB can top up the lease.
Some people have asked if owners can privatize the flats, especially the smaller clusters.
But what we know for sure is at the end of the 99 years, it's like bubble tea. Once we finish drinking, that's it. There's legally no more value left. So is there no hope? Well, there may be SERS or selective en bloc redevelopment, but this is like the word says, only selective blocks. There may be only 5% in the whole of Singapore that are suitable for this. So what are the chances that that will be happening to you?
Hey, I hear you. But the government is working on something called the Voluntary Early Redevelopment Program, also known as VERS. This means that when your flat hits its 70th birthday, you can gather all your friends and neighbours to consolidate everybody together and offer to sell the flats back to HDB. But just take note, this is something still work in progress. VERS will likely be rolled out only in 20 years. And if it happens, only when your flat has gone past its 70th birthday can you actually sell this back to the government. So what do you think are the monies you can get out of it then?
Now these are some food for thoughts for you to consider in your next property journey. So who will still be buying these kind of properties?
Click our next video to find out if you are the one. Click, click, click!